Hey guys, we're here at 1101 Tyler Street, Hollywood. This house is 4, 2.5. It's going for $950,000. The price was cut by $150,000. The people I understood needs to live. I'm gonna do it a little bit quicker this time because we're actually they need to leave. So the windows throughout are impact windows. The roof is from 2002, and there are a lot of features that are very nice in this house. And we'll do a tour. I'll show you. So this is the living room. There is a step down here. The shades are electrical. Right here on the left side we can definitely close this into a bedroom. It's about 2350 square foot the house. So from here to here we can close it to a bedroom very easy. On the left side we have here a 2-car garage. It's a typical 2-car garage. There is a half bath right here. Very nice features to the house. This is the laundry room. Inside there is a small room which we can use also as a smaller bedroom. That's basically right now considered the 4th bedroom. This is an exit to the garage, and right here there is an exit to the outside. It's in the laundry room, but they consider this the 4th bedroom. Now this is the kitchen. It's a nicely done kitchen. There is a sitting area right here, another step down, and there is also a sitting area, a dining area right here. This we can close to another bedroom if we want to. I don't think it's needed with the 2.5 bathrooms. We will need to see where to add another bedroom. Now for the bedrooms. So this is one bedroom. The bathroom. Nicely done. A doggy. Okay. There's a room here. Someone inside. I don't want to go inside right now, but it's the same size room. This is the master. So the master, very nice ceiling fan. 2 closets. Shower looks great. And I will go now to the pool. They do have speakers for the outside, pretty nice feature. You can see from here the pool throughout. Again, impact windows. We have here, it's a very high ceiling, very good space. The outside looks great. Everything was redone. The pool has waterfall over there, hot tub, waterfall. You have here a sun deck. Again, very nice the outside. They have an outdoor shower. This is the back. So the outside they did very nice, leading to the back. And we have some grass area here. The shade area is amazing here with the high ceiling. And that's it.